These are the tiny little ones.
That's the wider.
Okay, these are the little ones that you can fly around with remote control. There's some more. Oh, this says U.S. Air Force on it. Isn't that cute? Ultra stick. A little bit bigger. Tiny little one. Whoops.
I got it.
Isn't it cute? Get to see all these little things flying. This is the one we've done some flying on. One on top and one on the bottom. One on top ends up taking off.
I know.
Pretty good.
I think you could have had a pretty good
See,
time.
a few more little ones here.
Wanna walk down? Yep. All
All right.
There you go. On a day like today, that's what you really would tell.
Ooh. Wow, look at them. Neat. A line of little tiny remote control airplanes.